Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, MinecraftGeekish here, bringing you another tutorial. Tips and tricks. This will be the first tip and trick that I'm going to be doing. It's kind of weird how it's my first. Actually, it's because I just got a new recording software, which is Camtasia. Um, okay, so basically, uh, this tip and trick will be how to make a clock. Not just any ordinary clock, but a clock that can be, it will be like a wall clock, something. So basically, I made one right here. It's because the result of this one. So you cut the clock like this, and four gold ingots, and then one redstone dust. Um, Actually, you can see the item frame came in a little bit handy this time. Okay, moving on to the next item, you will need an item frame, which is crafted like this. It will result to that. And basically, if you look at the clock, I'm gonna go set time to a certain time, maybe 1357, maybe something like that. Oh, it's time's up. Sorry. See that? See, actually, and then go to day. Actually works while on the item frame, and it has this cool animation if you fast forward it like that, and also one in my hand. Yeah, it has a cool animation. It like goes around, then it comes back, and then it stays in its original position. Sorry. Um, if you guys do like this tips and trick videos, I would like to know, because I will be making these things for nothing. Basically, yeah, it's a good way to tell people what you can do, and have better than just have it in your hand. So, MinecraftGeekish signing off.